It's just should plug right back up without any wires.
Does it have a certain way? Oh.
Don't put another screw in by hand.
Nice.
Hmm.
You recording?
What? Had the boy out here yesterday installing new speakers in my truck. Showing him some hands-on. Got these Orions off Amazon. This is their CB683s. 280 watts. 6x8s. Also got a set going in the front, set of components. Set of 6.5 components. I'm gonna make some pods for them. My plan is some MDF boards, make me some rings, mount them to this, put my tweeter up here, do the same thing. Fiberglass this, paint it to match the rest of the interior. I got the door panels taped off, painting the rear grills and door handles. Paint didn't do too well, but I just wanted to see how it come out. I can get more door panels. This one come out all right. Got a little bit there, but it's the back doors. front doors when I do the fiberglass. It'll get base coat, clear coat, just like the rest of the interior. But these are next. I might do a full video on me doing these.